Hi, this is Chris, and today we have a 2009 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo, stock reference number 4829. The shape runs from the 7th month 2005 through the 12th month 2010. There's a 3 litre V6 turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel-drive transmission. 3 litre V6 turbo diesel engine with the left-hand headlight, left guard has one small dent, left power door mirror, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left front door appears to have no damage, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover with a tow bar for the cutout for the tow bar, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom, neck. Tailgate has 2 small dents. Right-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror in black, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With a driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and grey cloth interior, black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise control and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.